ariko bino biti ni byiza bacu. Umwaka buriya hazaba izuba ryinshi ra nangwa rirabayabaye. Irisanzwe pe. Iwewe butura imitima yacu. Sheri, you good? You ready to talk? Tugenda tuganiramo gake. I have a few questions. Noah, are you ready to see cow? Tugenda kujya kureba. Zaka Baba say cow. Ooh!
What? That one is sleeping.
I don't know. No, you wanna go inside?
No, that's dangerous.
You see? I think he found somewhere to go inside.
What they're eating?
He don't know. No, you can't go inside, Baba. That's only for cow, okay? Say cow, ma. Say ma.
Horse.
Oh, horse. Let's go to see horse over there. Horse, Noah. Dore. Uyu rero ngatisha makona na makona. Onyimbuka. Come. Onyimbuka. Why you like dog, Baba? Let's go to see horse over there. Yay! It's a horse.
He will jump out.
It's okay, let's go to see horse. Wow. Ferocious. Wow, I love it. Woo.
The bug.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Bobby, look at the poop. Over there.
Stinky. It's okay, Brianna. Look
at that poop.
Hey, guys, don't say anything about it. Noah! It's gonna hurt you. Ooh. Wow! Yay! You scare me. You like the baby? Oh, you like the baby? No, guys, touch him. He like it. Oh, I think like the baby. Look, he's like. Oh, good job! You're so good.
Bobby, look what they eat.
Oh my goodness.
This is what they eat.
What?
Look.
Oh, okay. Now you wanna touch it?
Yay! Can't hear me.
No, you. Oh my gosh. Oh, you wanna touch it? Hi. Hello. You're looking at food.
It's just
Okay, Noah, guys. You don't scare nothing.
oh my gosh. Noah, don't even.
Good job. Oh. Really? Give me. You want to touch the people? No, you don't have to do that. Muze tugende kureba cow. ariko uyu mwana ameze atera. Oh my god, look at this. Look at the white one.
The white?
Uyu munsi rero hano turi haratangaje. Twaje gukama inka.
There's a cow.
Zemere se tuzi. Hello guys, twaje kureba inka, aha turi kuri farm. Ni inka na amafarashi n'iki kindi.
Ew. Yo, look at that cow.
Look at this. Ooh.
Wait.
Bwambere nagera muri Amerika kugera hehe ahantu hatuye inka mbese. I'm so excited, abana bishimye nishimye ariko se tunywa amata muri Amerika tutazi yava. Bwambere twatembere kituo cha ngombe. Kituo cha ngombe. Brianna, do you know cow in Swahili?
No.
Say ngombe.
Ngombe.
Do you know cow in Kinyarwanda?
No.
Inka.
Inha.
Vuga ngo inka.
Inha.
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 Inka it's a
Cow.
No inha. Uri kuvuga Ikinyarwanda mu Gishinwa. Byarakomeye. Byarakomeye. Yo. Singe kwishisha. Oya se mundebere. Iyi nka irabyaye. Iyi nka irabyaye. Hari inka ziryoheye amaso. Mana we.
Okay, babe. So
Briella,
it's
make sure. No, it is something? Oh yeah.
actually the horse whisperer.
Yo, numva nakwibera mbese mu nka we.
That's what Nana calls me. The horse whisperer.
So, ahantu haratuje hasa neza mbese wumva wakwibera mu nka. Oh my goodness. Mundebera umuhungu. Twasubiye mbese umve iwacu mu cyaro hamwe abana bakina mu mukungugu. Ni mundebere. Umve nta mazi noneho yo kunywa naguha. Ni mundebere. What is this? Yo. No. Bibi. Byakomeye. Byakomeye. Abana biyanduje. Bese nyine ubu buzima nibwo natwe twakuriyemo bana banjye nimwiryohere. Ko nta myenda nenda kumesa. Gukubita mu cyuma asigaye ubuzima bugakomeza. Ariko wa mana we. Myenda abantu bari banga kumesa you guys. Twisanga mu buzima bwo kumesa nino kukamesa amaboko kajya ugira amababa. Mababa? Ayiwe. Amabavu. Kinyamurenge kiri kugenda kimponyoka. Mutsani same. Ubu rero turi mu mugoroba hafi saa 2. Twaje gutembera n'abana, hari ibimodoka bishaje. Abibereka hari ibipfura, hari impene, hari inka, hari amafarashi. Best. I love it. We are in farm. That farm. You guys, we have to go. What's up? Oh, that's so cute. Wait, what they do?
They're just eating.
It's not any food there. Okay. Okay. Briella? I think Briella already stay over there. Briella? Can I move them together? This one tried to run on you. This one. Hello. No talking. Oh my gosh, no touch it. Yeah. This is Hene. No, I like them. No, I touch it. Be careful now. Okay, guys, we gotta go. So, guys, tuvuye aho bita kuri farm, aho inka zituye, aho inyamaswa nyinshi zituye, inka, impene, intama, n'amafarashi n'ibindi. So, yeah, baba we. No, uko nigute wigize isura. Look his face. Yeah, baba we. Besa wahanduye n'ishamba nyine nahinga. Look. Ahari huzuye ibigori bamaze kubikata. Asigaye ibishishwa n'iby'inka yo ibiryo byo kurya. So my vlog is finished right here. Mama, where no? What is that? Okay, uburije turatashe, you guys. Okay. Ntashaka kumuterura. Okay. Okay, boy. Okay. 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 Wowe ushaka kwigumira mu mwanda baba. Mungwanye ntashaka gutaha, ashaka gukina mu gitaka kuva yavuka ntihakibone igitaka. Wow. Okay, guys, see you later. This is so cute place. Ooh. I love it. Oh my god, he gonna fall down?
Go.
Hey boy, what's up there? Be careful. Be careful. Okay, let's go, Mom. Let's go. Ooh, this is so cute. This is so cute. I love it. Who's like a baby? You can touch too. It's okay, it's so good. That's so nice. Brianna.
No! We don't want him to leave. I can't hurt you.
Hi, Charlie. Brianna, Muzamba photo. Come on, take picture here. Wagira ngo ni murenge we. Ni murenge ya Amerika. Masisi murenge we. Ya. Okay, ni Masisi na murenge. Ntarucuririmo. Niko baririmbira mutipe mwene wacu. Gahunda ya niyo bambu batemereka nitsa ayo ishwe ryaje. Yeah. You guys love the view? Look at this, you guys. Ooh, sheri muri makano ni kubera ko hano ntabwo ari Park City. It's not Park City. Bahita te?
Arta.
Oh, Arta. Mwenzangu nana wanzi. Sheri, drive safe. Man, we tutuhanda twegeranye. Okay guys, murabona state ya Utah igira hano mu misozi icyaro basa n'icyaro ni umujyi w'icyaro anyway ni umujyi ntabwo ari icyaro tena gusa nanjye yeah, this is like park because I can see a lot of cars bari parkinga and also bagakomeza bakagenda. Yeah, it is what it is. Yes, this vlog will be so good. And I'm not gonna put any voice. I'm not gonna mute anything. I'm gonna move to Gambana again for Giramo. Guys, enjoy the view. You know, the Tembele. The Tembele ni umunsi mwihariko. Niki gitubitse bakobwa. Amagambo agoye gushiranya figo. Tutaganira.
Amagambo urugenda muri ibi byiza.
Aya wadara umusozi turashize. Se no umusozi na mabuye none. Na mabuye. Yasabwira bigishwa be nimwe bagabo yoyo kandi ngiye kubohereza umwuka wera ariko mugume kugeza ubwo muzambikwa imbaraga zivuye mu ijuru. Ayiwa ye muko kw'izina rya Yesu kuramo twitega undinde akimara kuba umugisha mazaba kugwamo ajanwa mu ijuru. Ebana nibabirebe kabisa ni mubilebe namwe
byiza byayita
ariko nta nubwo bikanganye. Umve nkunda yuta state twabayemo umve narinze ngaruka nabona bamugana ibi byiza cyamba cyabasheri. Michigan naburaho ntemberera ngo mbone ngo amafoto narayahebye. Anyway, Utah nyine state washikiyemo ubona iri the best kwa. Ari nziza nyine kurusha nyine izindi zose warabonye. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. Kuchifotoreza